Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to move pie chart in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data, category and total price. So here I'm going to first create pie chart. Simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the pie charts option and click on the first 2D pie chart. And here you can see the pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Now here I'm going to move the charts in another sheets. So simply click on the charts and go to the chart design. In location group, click on the move charts. In move chart dialog box, choose where you want the chart to be placed. I select first second option object in. The current selection is a data. The current sheet is here default selected. Now I just click on the arrow and select the sheet number 2 to move the chart in sheet number 2. So I just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see your pie chart is moved in sheet number 2. In data sheet, you can see only the data is available. Okay. Now the second way is simply select the chart. Again, go to the chart design in location group, click on the move charts. So here you can see the move chart dialog box is open. Now I select the first option, new sheet. In this first option, this chart is moved in new sheet. It's create new sheet automatically and this chart move. Okay. So you can edit here the sheet name. So I just edit here the sheet name. Okay. Pie chart and click on OK. And here you can see the new sheet added is pie chart and your chart is moved. In sheet number 2, the chart is not available. Okay, it's moved in pie charts in new sheet. Okay, so this is the way you can use the move option in Excel sheet to move the pie chart in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.